Hello colleagues, we're about to ship our new robot to one of our customers, and we just realized that we didn't talk about the robot in details, what is what. So this is a very short intro video to robot V100. So this is how the robot looks like just before the shipment. So we are driving it around and then basically confirm that the robot is fine, and after that we disassemble it, pack into the large pack and ship. So what does the robot consist of? Robot of course consists of the main base, and the main base has massive batteries inside. It has motors, driving motors, and 4 caster wheels. So the main load is of course on the caster wheels, and the main drivers are the 2 driving wheels. There are shelves, and by default there is one shelf in the middle. This is the top shelf, which is basically limiting the top, and you can install many additional shelves very easily. So in minutes you can change it, remove it completely, and then you can pack a very large box inside, or you can pack and add more shelves, and thus moving multiple shelves, multiple objects like boxes at the same time. In terms of control, so this is the main driving point, the driving button, main stopping button, and here the buttons you can assign the path, the waypoints. So for example, this is your route number 1, starting point, ending point, starting point, route number 2, route number 3, etc., etc. We can reconfigure this, but by default, because it was designed for our lead customer, that was the task. Several predefined routes, you can assign them, and then people just need to press starting point, ending point, and then the robot just drives fully autonomously. What does it use for autonomous positioning? Of course, it's using our indoor GPS. In this case, it has 2 mobile beacons inside, and the main computer is inside here. On this main computer, you can even have access over USB and HDMI. By the way, for those who are interested in more customization, it's possible to basically connect your own computer via HDMI and using the USB ports, and to run the internal software on the computer. So in this way you can update the software on the robot and even upload some of your applications to the Linux computer which is inside the robot. So it's very, very convenient, and provides a great way to expand the capabilities of the robot. The robot is very, very simple. It was designed for real industrial applications. This is why it doesn't have too many controls. One button to switch on, monitor the voltage of the battery, and it's for autonomous driving, but of course it must sense the environment, and this is what is using for sensing the environment. So there are lidars, 1D lidars, which are sensing up to 4 meters from the robot, and the robot stops. You can check the videos how it works in practice, but this is the main sensing method. So it's using lidars. If you think that something dangerous could be on this side as well, not only on the bottom side, let us know. We can supply you with additional lidars installed on each of these, so it will be simply an expansion. And in general, so some of our customers are getting the base and then use it as a tractor, let's say, as a starting point for their own applications. So it's a very, very nice platform for the further expansion. Of course, we have our Boxy robot, which is designed for even higher flexibility of expansion, because it has multiple inputs, outputs, etc., etc., etc. But even this robot can be expanded pretty well, because there is a lot of space, so you can install additional battery, you can install additional computers like Jetson, for example, or some other powerful computer for whatever processing. You can have additional space here installed for your computers. But in general, it's a basic, robust, autonomous delivery robot for industrial and warehousing applications. Okay, so this is the final drive test before the shipping. Okay, the robot detected. So, okay, I'm in front of the robot. I'm moving away. I'm in front of the robot. I'm moving away. Okay, basically the robot is ready to be disassembled and packed and shipped.